Good day everyone. In this video, I am going to be teaching you how to use the Google Forms feature in your Gmail app to create an online form quiz using your mobile phone. So the first step we are going to be taking is to go to your web browser. I'm using UC Web for this tutorial. The next thing to do is to type the following URL address in your address bar: www.googleforms, no, not Google Forms, google.com/forms, and you press OK. Now, as you can see, it has opened this blank form. It has opened this blank form for us to start doing our filling. Now, for you to be able to see this form, you must be logged into your Gmail account. So ensure that you are logged into your Gmail account so that this untitled form will show. Or better still, when you come to the google.com/forms, it will notify you to log in order to see this form. So the first thing we want to do is to title our form. So we'll just call it test form. Okay, and we'll just give it a description. This is a sample test form. The next step is to write your first question, or you could decide to ask for the full name of the person that will fill the form. So you can just insert your first word here. So what I want to insert here is, what is your full name? The next thing we want to do is, we have this option here. It enables us to choose the kind of answer that the user is going to be filling. It can be a short answer. Let me open the options. They have several options here. It can be a short answer, it can be a paragraph, it can be multi-choice, it can be check boxes, can be drop down, or file upload. So in this case, since it's their name, we don't need a paragraph, we just need a short answer. So I'll select short answer. Then the next thing we are going to do is, we will make it a required work to fill. So we need to press here required, meaning that the user has no choice but to fill in this particular detail. Now the next thing we want to practice, as you can see, we have these options below. This additional option, this, if you look below, you see this add option, you see this file like option, this one that says TT, that's text. You see this other one for image, and the one for video, and the one for sections. So in case, what if you want to add an image to your form? If you want your viewers to view the image in order to answer a question, so we are going to be inserting an image now. So where we'll press is here. it opens this up, it's loading. So it wants us to insert an image. So I insert an image. I can browse from my phone. So I want to insert this image on compact disc. So it has inserted this image. I can now say here, use the following okay, let me get that typed better. Use the following image to answer question 1. So this is a caption for the image. So if I want to add a question, I press this add button. I press this add button at the bottom left. So I press it. So you can see that it has added a question below the image. So let me type my question. What is the name of the above diagram? So since this is a multiple choice question, I pick this. I choose multiple choice. Then I choose my first option. I can say floppy disk. If I want to add another option, I choose add option. I say CD. And I choose add option again. And I say hard disk. So you can see that this is, to keep this video short, I think I'll just stop here. I put it at the required. So now let's go to giving it a setting to make this simple form we've just created a quiz. So the first thing we go up here, go to these 3 dots, click on it, go to settings. Now, if you want your viewers to give you their email address, you can click on this collect email address. If you want to limit the viewer's response to only one, so that one viewer will not answer 100 times or more than one time, you click on this limit to one response. So this is the general settings. This is under the general settings. So you can go to presentation. You can decide to show progress bar. Then you swipe to the left to unveil the quizzes option, and you click on it. You check this box that says make this a quiz. Then you can say release grade immediately after each submission. That is, the moment they answer the question, let their grades be released. Now you can see that respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. Once you've set these options, go to this top right and click save. Now after you save it, it takes you back to your form. Now when you scroll to the question section, you will see this blue button at the top left, this blue button that is appearing beside the copy button. When you click on it, it gives you an option. We want to give each question a point, so we want to give it 10 points for question 1. What is the name of the above diagram? Now if you click on any of the options, it means you are choosing the answer that is correct. So the correct answer is CD, so I'm clicking on CD. Now if you want to put an answer feedback, you can choose to do that. You go to add answer feedback. If the person chose an incorrect answer, you go to enter feedback and write incorrect. You write a feedback there. The answer is CD. Now you scroll to correct answers. You also write a feedback. It's optional. Is if you want to, you can write correct. Now you hit save. You hit save and it saves it. So this is one way, this is how you can grade your scores. You can do it for the one below. After you've done this, the next thing is to send your form to so that your viewer can fill it. So you go up, go to this arrow option beside the 3 dots and click on it. Now it gives you options. It says send via email. So if you have the person's email address, you put it here and send it to the person's email to invite the person to fill the form. Or you can click on this one, which is more popularly used. The one in the center is for links. When you click on it, it generates the link for you. Now you can decide to shorten the link URL by clicking here. So you can see that it is shortened. Then you click on copy. Then it has copied the link's URL. You can now decide to go to a new page and paste the URL there. Now this is how it will look from the user's end. It will require the person to fill in his email, fill in his full name, and answer the following questions. Once he answers the following questions, he clicks on submit. Let's quickly do this. So I put my email, my full name, then I fill my option CD, and I press submit. So it's generating the answer. So we can view the score. And there is the score there. It tells me correct, feedback was correct. So this is just the step on how to create a quiz using your mobile phone. Thank you very much for watching.